It's another tutorial trading with AI automated bots. So this is another AI automated bots tutorial, and as you can see, our capital for today is 162. And remember, if you comment in my videos, you will get a chance to win a free funding. So a free funding of the minimum, which is 30 USDT. So today we want to make another tutorial, but this is out of the challenge, so we'll make this one and another one for the challenge. So I saw this bot today. The bots are hot, still hot, they're running hot, but I saw this one for 3. Let's do for this one minimum for 50. You can see the percentage. So it goes for 2 hours, and as I told you, these bots are automated, so we are not trading manually, but we are using automated bots. So our automated bots are got in RunQuilly. RunQuilly, you can go search it in browser and make sure you download the app. So talking of the automated bots in RunQuilly, you can set your take profit or your stop loss. So you can see the maximum stop loss that you can set is 75%, and the maximum take profit of this bot is 435%. That's in percentage. So I'll enter the minimum amount for 50, or let me do 1000. Why not? And I have good capital. So for me, today let's set, but this one limits you. This one limits you. So let's make 350 and maximum stop loss of 70. Then I run my bot. So if it hits the stop loss or the take profit, it will stop automatically. So let's check 2 to 3 logs. Then I show you my balance. And remember, you can withdraw anytime, no withdrawal issues. We started with the bad luck of a 9 loss. That's 9 USDTs. You checking the recovery. Thanks for this bot. It showed the recovery in this video, so that you don't. Some people will make a loss and stop the bot, but if you are patient enough, you can make much. So you have to risk, you have to endure the losses for you to gain the profits with these automated bots. So another one was a loss. Let's see if it will be a loss or a win right now. It is a win. So I ain't controlling the market. Nobody's controlling the market. I'm not controlling the bot, but the bot does its own job. So a big win of 51. Let's check my balance. Remember, you don't check the time there. Time remaining, you check it here. So time remaining is 1 hour 58 minutes. So in 2 minutes, let's see what I've made in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, I've made 61 USDT. Only risking $1,000. Let's check my balance, guys. Yesterday I did a very big trade. My balance is at 58 and I made almost $10,000. Let me show you that trade, by the way. In transaction history, the profit of yesterday, the profits of yesterday, I did hit 10,000 and my stake was 2,000 USDTs. I can't remember the bot I used. Let's check here. You can see 9,985. It was only remaining $25 for me to hit 10,000 profit. So make sure you trade with these bots. Thank me later.